On this planet, countless eyes watch the wilderness. Behind every gaze lies millions of years of evolution, filled with vigilance and majesty. Life isn't always cruel. Deep within the winds and forests, there are moments of blooming and the softest protection. This is nature's gentlest hue. When the wind rises, silence is torn apart. Speed and power are the only currency here. Survival is an endless sprint. They gather into rivers, crossing mountains and seas. Individual insignificance dissolves in collective grandeur, a will beyond a single life. Beneath the deep blue, giants pierce the silence. Every leap is a challenge to gravity and a supreme hymn to boundless freedom. In extreme desolation, life still finds cracks to root. As long as there's a glimmer of light, the beating heart will not cease. We share this realm with them. Between breaths, between the fleeting and the eternal, all things have souls, and all things shine. Feel the pulse of this wilderness. It is our shared home.